Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So for example this one, and then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Let me quickly remove the photo, so this is what you will see after entering the contact you'd like to edit. So let's tap on Add Picture or simply tap on the circle. Now you can choose the photo from the Google Photos, which is basically your backed up photos, device photos, where you can choose the gallery or open the camera app, or you can enter the illustrations, which are free of charge. They are available online. So basically you can use them if you do not have the photo of the person you'd like to customize the contact for. But I will choose something from the gallery. Let me tap on it, find the photo. And now in this step you can either zoom in or out the photo, you can change the position of it, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So simply tap on choose if you're ready, and here we've got our photo assigned, so let's tap on save. And our contact has been saved successfully, which means that from now on we will see this photo, for example, on the contact list and during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.